The package company was nice enough to put that sign on there, handled fragile with care. I opened it up and it looks like it's been very well packaged. I'm having a hard time opening it up. I'm going to have to do some more cutting, I guess. The fabric there are pillowcases, and he put some edging on there. I thought they were going to use bubble wrap, but it doesn't look like they needed to. It does certainly look like it was packaged very well. These guys were definitely well packed. I brought them to the store, the packing store, shipping store, wrapped in these pillowcases, but they really did a good job of tight wrapping of those pillowcases around the boards. And here they are, uncovered. They look like they made it unscathed. And now we see it in place. So I'm running a power cord through there so the top doesn't close completely. And you can see that I have another project, which is the other bits around the boards, but I think that's going to wait till next spring.